So PHP supports the concept of variable functions. What that means is that you can append parentheses to a variable, and once the variable is evaluated, the function name is created with it. Seems like a confusing thing to say out loud, but it's really pretty simple. So let's say that we have two functions. Function 1, we're going to call function Subaru, and all what we'll do is say echo, you're getting a or an STI. So if this function is called, it's going to just echo out, you're getting an STI. Second function, we're going to call it Nissan, and if it's called, it's just going to echo out, you're getting a Skyline. To call either of these functions, we can create a variable, let's call it car, and assign a value that matches the name of one of the functions. So we can say car is equal to Subaru. So now car just holds the string value Subaru. And then we just add the parentheses to the variable to call it. So we could just say car with parentheses, and that will call it. So if we open up our browser, hit refresh, we can see that it says you're getting an STI. Now later we could change the value of the car, place the string Nissan for example, call the car function again, refresh it in our browser, and it says you're getting a Skyline. So first time you're getting an STI, second time you're getting a Skyline. And that's pretty much it. That's it for variable functions.